Hi everyone, welcome back to Arm Candy. I hope you're all okay, having a lovely week. We are back with some awesome vintage Chanel for you all. This is a Chanel Coco cue ball fold over shoulder in this soft leather, such soft leather. The leather is beautiful. I adore the leather of this bag, really sort of luxurious. And I love the fun design of the cue ball. You've got the double C's there. And it is a fold over. So you've got a shoulder strap here, fold over flat, and then you've got a magnetic pressed fasten. And then inside you have this large compartment, one flat pocket, and then in the corner you have got the date code as well. Let me find it for you. This one is from 2003/2004. Now it has that little red stripe through on it because this will have been originally perhaps a staff purchase, something like that. So that's why the label has that little red mark on it. I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. Here it is on me. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference. All the exact measurements will be on the website. So if you click the link in the description, it will take you straight to the Chanel on our website where you can see all of the details about it. Whilst you're there, have a look at all of our other beautiful pieces of arm candy, sign up to our newsletter for the welcome discount, but also like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos. If you click that link and it doesn't take you to this bag, I'm sorry, that means it has sold. But we have a request list, so if this is something that you're interested in or there's something else that you're interested in, sign up to our request list, let us know what you want and we'll tell you when we next get one in. Condition wise, we have said that this is in good condition throughout. So it's in a really nice condition, particularly for something of this kind of age. Exterior wise, on the exterior, you don't have any sort of scratches particularly. The corners are all nice, the edging's all nice, and that's brilliant considering how soft the leather is. You can see that it's in a really nice condition, but there is a few marks. So on the top here, you've got a little white mark here, and then you've also got some darker marks just there. And then underneath the flap, which is fine because you can't really see it, you've got a darker mark here. And just in general, sort of throughout, you've got the odd mark. But again, once it's folded over, you can't particularly tell. It's just, yeah, in a nice condition. Interior, we have called good for the same reason. You can just tell, there's no sort of big marks, but you can tell that it is a pre-owned, pre-loved bag. There is a few marks that are just where it's been handled. The hardware, these pieces of hardware, the sort of metallic hardware is lovely. They're in a really nice condition. You've got this lovely sort of brushed gold, which is really nice. That's in a great condition. The reason we've called it good is because of the cue ball has some scratching to it, but it's just so cool, isn't it? So you've got that little bit of scratching to the cue ball, so that's why we've called the hardware good. So good condition throughout. This is a really cool, unique piece of Chanel. If you love it, check it out on the website. The link is in the description. Go and have a look at this. Go and have a look at all of our other gorgeous pieces of arm candy, and we'll see you soon with some more.